As you enter into this meditation, we ask that you find yourself in a place where you can relax your physicality, whether that be laying down or sitting up, does not matter. Allow for your spine to lengthen. Allow for your hips to release. Allow for any tension that is currently residing in your neck and jaw to move into your physicality now. As you breathe in, focus on your chest rising. As you breathe out, focus on the expansion throughout your system. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Continue breathing in this normal pattern. And as you do so, we invite you to focus on any area in your body that feels tightness or constriction. In your physicality, there are energy patterns that are naturally inherited and stored. Tension often inhibits the flow. And so we look for these moments of tension. And we return our focus into the area surrounding the tension. And we move with our intention down directly into the tissues in this area. As you begin your descent into this area, allow for any and all information to rise up into your system. Emotions are welcome. Vibrations are welcome. Cognitive loops or thoughts or beliefs are welcome. As you sink further down into this area, notice the easing that occurs. With your intention the easing occurs and energy flow is restored. Bit by bit, as you dive into this location, alternate sensations and information may rise. It is not for us to dissect or process or analyze. It is only for us to allow its release. And as we dive again further into this area a third time, we recognize the sensations that occur in this location are just that, sensations, information. Allow the information to occur to you in whatever form it takes. And as you release this information, we find ourselves in a space of easing, of allowing, of regeneration. As you come back now into your physicality, becoming aware again of your fingers and toes and facial features, take note of any shift and change in the energetic body as you sense it now. When you feel complete with this meditation, hydrate with water to allow for an easing of the information to move through your system. Have a beautiful day. This is a guided meditation to release stagnant energy in a location of illness or injury. Okay,